Hi, this is Amy from BlastKing. Today I'm going to introduce you our Skew Roll short blasting machine. This short blasting machine is mainly for blast cleaning cylindrical parts like pipes, tubes, cylinders, etc. This is a totally customized short blasting unit. In order to accommodate customers' space limit in height, we made this short blasting unit with two blasting media recycle system. You can see from the video that this short blasting machine with two bucket elevator, because the customer's workshop has a height limit. So in order to accommodate their workshop height, we customize this short blasting machine to suit their needs.